Guys, yesterday I picked up three major signals and I dropped them in the Telegram group. I dropped them in the night. I know I dropped some during the day, but this particular three signals were dropped in the night. Okay, two actually played out well, and the last one um broke out from the support zone, and of course it the stop loss to reduce the loss we are going to get from there. Okay, but the other two played out very well, and we're going to be checking out all these signals right here, and I'm going to tell you why I decided to pick these signals and what you two can do from your own end in order for you to pick signals like this. Okay, so if you have been looking for a way to have a successful trading activities, then kindly watch this video to the end so that you will understand how I do my analysis before picking up my signals. Okay, so before I go fully into it, I will like to say that I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and this video is for educational purpose. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. Like I said, I picked up three signals. I picked the first one on okay, let's start with the one that broke out from the support zone. Okay, so this is the signal. So at the early hour of yesterday, we started with a downtrend signal, and which gave us huge profit at the end of the day. Okay, but in the night I noticed that it has been playing within this support zone for a very long time, so it decided to pick up from I actually waited for it to break out from this particular channel. Okay, so it broke out above it. That was when I picked up the signal, but I said they should come in at this point. Okay, so if you had set it up, okay, so you will notice that it didn't get to the entry point. Okay, so you are not going to lose any money. So this is the entry point and this is the support zone. So it broke out below this support zone, so it was unable to break out above this entry point. So this is the entry point which I gave you guys. So if you missed out, if you this follow the instruction, then definitely it will not pick your trade before breaking out below the support zone. You know, the support zone is where we add our stop loss. Okay, so it's not going to pick your trade at all. So this means that we didn't make any loss at all. Okay, so that's so amazing. You can see it broke out below the support zone and it went down. Okay, so that is what happened whenever there is a breakout. When there is a breakout, it's going to go in the direction for a while. Okay, so you can see this is a huge sell. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so but the good thing here is that it didn't pick up our trade before it turned back. Okay, so that's so amazing. So that way, we didn't make any, we didn't record any loss, just that it didn't pick up our trade at that point. Okay, so congratulations to those of you on the Telegram platform. So now let's check out the other two trades that we dropped in the night. Okay, so I told you I dropped three trades. Okay, so these are the other two trades. This in the day, we actually milk this particular asset from the resistance zone down to the support zone. So when it got to the support zone, it was unable to break out from here. So it played around there for a while. So I waited for it to break out from here. So I gave us an entry point at this point, while the stop loss is the support zone. As you can see, it didn't go back to the stop loss. It played as we have suggested, and this is our first TP. We're on 5 minute time frame, guys. This is our first TP. So as you can see, it's got to the first TP, so it's still going up. Okay, if it breaks out from here, then definitely it should be getting to the second TP. It was very slow. The movement had been very slow since yesterday. You can see it has been going up and down, but more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so if it should break out above this first TP, then definitely it will hit the second CP. However, I will advise you to lock up some profits right now. You can just move up your stop loss to somewhere here, okay, to lock up some profit for yourself in case it decided to misbehave and go back on downtrend, so you won't lose out on all the profits that you have made already. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's check out the last asset. Okay, so guys, this is the last asset. Let me show you how it played out. During the day yesterday, we actually milked this asset also from the resistance zone down to the support zone. Okay, but in the night, I noticed that at this point it got to this support zone at the pullback. Okay, so I had to wait for it. So I mean, it wanted to go on uptrend, but I knew that it's going to have another pullback to the support zone to see if it will break out from that support zone. So I was unable to break out from there. So when it started to pick up, okay, I waited for it to get to this region. So this is our entry point. You should go and check the Telegram channel. You will notice that this is the entry point, and I decided to put the stop loss at the support zone. So you can see we got the buy trend signal, and we got the uptrend signal, we got the buy trend signal. And of course it went in our direction. This was where I put our first TP. You can see it went and got there, and of course the second TP is somewhere here, and as you can see it also got there. Okay, so that's so amazing. It has even gone above the second TP. Definitely this will be going to the next resistance zone. Let me try and see if I can get that. Okay, okay guys, so we should expect it to get to this region even before it will have another pullback. Okay, so this is how beautiful it is. You can see how beautiful it is to make your analysis and make some good profits right from there. So congratulations to those of you on the Telegram platform. Apart from the trade that I put out during the day, I also put some out when I noticed that we are having a clear signals on, we are having some clear signals on some of these assets in the night. I decided to push them out so that you guys can also benefit from it. So out of the three trades, we made profits with the first one, the second one, and this third one didn't get to the entry point before the market turned back to break out below this support zone. So it didn't pick any trade for us here, and of course that was a good one for us. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember to understand the um concept of trade very well before you decide to trade. And if you can have a very good trading tool, then you can go ahead and also use it. Okay, as you can see, I am just making use of the custom made indicator to do my analysis right here, and it is called the 3M trend milker indicator. You guys can also get it. It will help you to do your analysis well. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.